May brought an unexpected surge in global markets, with the Nasdaq rising more than 8% and all three major U.S. indices reaching record closing levels. This momentum, driven largely by the technology sector, has positioned the market for a potentially strong start to June. Futures contracts for the Dow, S&P 500, and Nasdaq 100 opened with gains on Monday morning, signaling continued investor optimism. The Nasdaq's performance was particularly striking, marking its strongest two-month run in over 2 decades. This comes despite rising geopolitical tensions, including recent U.S. military operations targeting Iranian radar installations and drone facilities, followed by confirmed counterstrikes from Iranian forces. These developments have pushed crude oil prices above $93 per barrel for Brent and $90 for WTI, adding another layer of volatility to market dynamics. The technology sector has been the main driver of this market surge, with AI chip makers leading the charge through strong quarterly earnings. However, the broader market is not immune to external pressures. While equities are rising, concerns. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. About potential military escalation remain high, and investors are closely watching Friday's employment data to gauge the strength of the labor market and any implications for Federal Reserve policy. The combined April and May performance of the Nasdaq is now the most impressive in over 2 decades, a period that includes the dot-com bubble. This suggests a powerful confluence of strong earnings, investor confidence, and a low interest rate environment. Yet the geopolitical situation remains a wildcard. The U.S. military's weekend operations and Iran's confirmed counterstrikes have raised concerns about further escalation, which could disrupt market sentiment. The oil price surge is already a visible sign of this tension, with energy markets responding rapidly to news. Investors are now weighing whether this momentum can continue or if rising geopolitical risks will introduce new volatility. The market's ability to maintain its upward trajectory will depend on several key signals. First, Friday's employment data will provide insight into the strength of the U.S. economy and whether the Federal Reserve will maintain or adjust its current stance. Second, the ongoing military developments in the Middle East will remain a focal point for risk sentiment. If tensions escalate further, market corrections could follow. Conversely, if a diplomatic resolution emerges or the situation stabilizes, the market may continue its upward trend. The next immediate signal to watch is the opening of Monday's trading session, where the early futures data showed the Nasdaq 100 surging 0.6%, indicating strong investor confidence. However, this could shift quickly if new geopolitical. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Developments arise, or if the employment report shows unexpected weakness. Investors should also monitor the behavior of major technology stocks, as their performance will continue to influence the broader market. In summary, the market is currently in a period of strong performance driven by technology and AI-related gains, but the broader context of rising geopolitical tensions and potential Fed policy adjustments introduces uncertainty. The coming days will be crucial in determining whether this momentum is sustainable or if external factors will introduce new volatility.